Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Ami Haider Rizvi and welcome to my channel Tech Unix. So in this video we are going to make a Skate Hooligans application with creator.codula.io or with Codula. So let's get started. So what you have to do is go to creator.codula.io. The link is in the description. You can go and check it out. Click on create project. Give our project a new name. So my project name will be skate underscore hooligans underscore game. Now click on next. Let's give the app a name, skate hooligans. Give a package name com.skate.hooligans.app. Now click on enter or finish. You can click whatever you want. Now go to screen and properties, scroll down, uncheck the box. Now go to the blocks palette, drag and drop an image block. Okay. Now what you have to do is go to the description, okay, and what you have to do is click on the second link. It will redirect to you gmail.com. Okay, now I want to showcase this picture into my app. So what I have to do is click right click on the image, save image. Now I will click on image 1 and upload the asset or the file that I just installed. Okay, it is uploading Skate Hooligans 1 JPG to the Codula server. Okay, now select the. Okay, now go to picture, click on Skate Hooligans 1 JPG. So now let's put the height as automatic and width automatic. Fill parent and fill parent. Now drag and drop a button. It will do as play skate hooligans. Okay. So now let's add a screen as skate hooligans. In skate hooligans, we will drag a web viewer, go to gmail.com and paste the game link. Uncheck, you can uncheck or not uncheck, it's based on your choice. I will uncheck this box zoom display. Okay, make sure that you have checked the box visible. Okay, so now go to screen 1, go to blocks. Now what you have to do is go to button. When button 1 click, control open another screen name, screen skate hooligans. Skate hooligans, go to designer, put a button here as back. Let's put the button uh, back. Okay, now when button 1 click, open another screen name screen 1. So if you are confused, let's just rename the button 1 to button back. You can see when button back click, open another screen name screen 1. So now to earn money by our app, to earn more money, what you have, if you want to run ads, go to start.io and make your account. Okay, I will show how to make an account in a private window. Start.io, start monetizing. I will just use a temp mail to show you guys. Now click on create account. First name, test account. No company, no company. Let's copy the email. Website will be https example.com. Check this circle. I am a publisher. Put your email. Now put a password. I will enter a password is okay. Now clear this verification. ESOM. Click on create account. Got it. Now go check your email. Click on the verification email that just came in 2 seconds. Click on confirm your account. Okay, it will redirect to your portal. Now put your email address as login it. Now I will put it. Okay, click on sign in. So now just click on X, go to my apps. So just type uh, example.com. If you don't have published your app, just click on another option. App name is Skate Hooligans. It is the platform is for Android only. Click on add app. So copy this app ID. Go to Codula Creator and search for banner. Okay. To showcase banner, startup banner or any other monetization component in Codula, you have to buy the premium version. I am currently subscribed to the premium so I can use it. So let's drag and drop two banner ads. Okay, it is not. Okay, go click on the startup banner one. Put the ID here. Enter the ID here. Again, ID. Go to blocks. Click on screen one. When screen one initialize, go to startup banner one. Call startup banner one. Dot load add. Okay, and put the same with call call startup banner to load app. When the user opens the screen, your banner ad will be loaded. Okay, now go put a interstitial ad. Put the app id that we just copied from starter.io. Okay, so when button 1 click call startup interstitial 1 load ad, it will load the app, then call startup interstitial 1 and show the interstitial app that has been loaded. Now for that, open another screen named Skate Hooligans. Okay, let's go to Skate Hooligans. Put banner ads again. Banner, startup banner here, and again a startup banner here. Same app ID, same app ID. Put interstitial ad here. Okay, startup interstitial ad. Put the app ID that we just copied. Okay, now again when okay when screen one initialize, call startup banner one load ad. Call startup banner two in and load ad. Okay, so when button back click call startup intersection 1 load ad and show the loaded ad. Okay, so when the user opens your app, the banner ad will load. Now, when the user clicks on Play Skate Hooligans, it will show an interstitial ad and redirect to Skate Hooligans. In Skate Hooligans, when it will open, it will show an banner ad, a banner ad. Okay, and when the user clicks on back, it will show an interstitial ad and redirect to screen 1. Now go to Skate Hooligans, just uncheck this title visible. Okay, so if you want to create a APK or Android app bundle, you can go and click and build your APK or AAB file. Okay, you can test this application in your phone by generating an APK. Okay, to generate a APK, upload a icon here. So let's put the icon here, and this is for and this is done. So this is for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment my channel. Bye bye.